Well, the World Bank has signed 3 credits and 2 grants worth 36 billion shillings with the National Treasury. The funds are set to support the Kenya youth empowerment, transport health systems and enhance higher education in the country. KTN's Doreen Biira now reports on who the beneficiaries of these funds will be.
Billion shillings to the Youth Empowerment and Opportunities Project in Kenya, 19.1 billion shillings to transform health systems for universal health care, and an extra 1.8 billion shillings for higher education centers of excellence in East and Southern Africa. Kenya, just like most African countries, has a young population and unemployment levels remain high at over 40%. National Treasury Cabinet Secretary Henry Rotich says the funds will be channeled to increasing employment opportunities for the youth aged between 18 and 35 through absorption of young people into the labor market in collaboration with the private sector. The World Bank notes that Kenya each year loses its key resource, human capital, to substandard health facilities, an occurrence that can be slowly reversed through capacity building in the health sector.
This project, as you know, will respond to the high numbers of new youth entrants to the labor market who are presently outpacing the capacity of the Kenyan economy to absorb them in productive employment.
We are trying together with the government to really better prepare young people for the labor market.
To ensure that higher institutions of learning churn out the right skills into the workforce, 3 select universities will be funded in partnership with grants from Japan to produce applied research to address specific challenges.
Truth be told, we haven't sufficiently provided for effective capacity to sustain that particular expansion. And that requires that we put resources in research.
The financing by the World Bank comes on the back of international lenders cautioning Kenya against increased borrowing. However, CS Henry Rotich maintains that Kenya has practiced prudent fiscal and monetary policies that have narrowed the fiscal deficit, though the country is still vulnerable to growing risks arising from changes in global risk sentiments. Doreen Biira, KTN News.